Hey friends, so today we have a crew request and this one comes from Dax. We asked Dax a while ago what he would like to cook quickly on a weeknight and you said, Dax,
Tacos.
Tacos! So we're doing tacos and I have challenged myself to do Dax the most amazing taco dinner in 15 minutes. And Hayley is not convinced that I can do it, but I am semi-convinced that I can do it. I'm so pedantic when I cook. This is very not me. I don't like it. Okay, why does it have to keep beeping? It's so stressful. So, tacos. All right, so we're gonna do 15 minutes. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of things here, hopefully get them done in time. Let's see how we go, shall we? Press start. All right. So first things first is obviously, the meat filling is going to be the big one, right? So I need to get that heating up. I know I need to get it a bit hot before I get started. I also need to stop talking so much so that I have time to do things, but I don't know, I just can't help myself. For me, I'm going for a crunchy taco today. One, because I didn't think that I would have enough time in 15 minutes to really char and grill my soft tacos. So. But I kind of have a really great nostalgia for crunchy tacos. Like I haven't had a crunchy taco in, I don't know, since I was like a teenager. I'm not even sure when the last one I had was. So I'm excited about that. So we're gonna do crunchy ones. I want the iceberg because I want that kind of crunchy taco nostalgia kind of, thing. I'm gonna go with the salsa. So I need to make salsa. I'm gonna make a little tomato, like a fresh tomato-y kind of salsa. All right, chopping cherry tomatoes. That was probably not the, smartest thing to do in a 15-minute challenge, was it? All right, I'll keep going on that. In the meantime, sorry, not in the meantime, because I'm doing this and doing that, but whatever. Okay, I think I need to get started on my meat. So I'm choosing to go with a combination of beef mince and fresh chorizo sausage. So chorizo sausage can come cured, but I'm using the fresh one because the fresh one is going to give me some extra spice and flavor. And I'm just gonna squeeze that out of that sausage casing. It's kind of like an easy cheat. Now, if you can't get fresh chorizo where you are, you could use a spicy Italian sausage. It's not really like the prettiest of things to be doing, is it? But it will work. Oh, see, it already smells good. It already smells kind of, all the spices and stuff. It smells good. Okay, and now my beef as well. Okay. So this is going to be the thing. We really want to make sure that we get this cooked. What are we at now? We're 13 minutes in. Okay, no, we're 2 minutes in, 13 minutes to go. All right, I'm going to put a little pinch of salt in here. There's going to be a little salt in that chorizo sausage as well, so I don't want to over season it. Just want to break this up. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. I wanna get that really kind of crispy, so I'm hoping that that heat will get really hot and kind of make things kind of really charry. What's that like? Isn't there some trick where you put the cherry tomatoes under the lid and then you chop through? Should we try that? Is that what you do? I'm doing it. Let's see. Yeah, half of them came out chopped. I think you're supposed to use a bigger lid. Anyway, I was unprepared. I forgot that I was chopping cherry tomatoes. See? Kind of works, kind of doesn't work. It sort of just squashes the tomatoes. That's all right, we're making a salsa anyway. All right, so in here, I get a few more. Now, the other things that I'm doing for this is I want my fresh salsa. I'd love to have a beautiful Mexican crema. It's really difficult to get Mexican crema here in Noosa, Australia. So I'm going to go with some sour cream and just thin that down a little bit with some water to kind of get the same or similar texture and flavour. Okay, let's give that a mix. How we go? What does that mean? What does that beeping mean? 10 minutes. We're going to smash it. Do you know what I dislike about these time challenges is that I'm usually very neat in the kitchen and these seem to make me very messy. So see that? Oh, that kind of looks lumpy. I need a whisking device. Oh, now it's getting really messy. Oh no, now I've splashed myself. I would never do that usually when I'm so pedantic when I cook. This is very not me. I don't like it. Okay, all right. That's kind of what I'm going for. I want that kind of like pouring consistency kind of thing. It's a little lumpy, but we're just gonna go with it. Okay, I need to clean up, otherwise my brain won't work. All right, this I can smell now that we're kind of getting to, I call it like the hamburger stage, where you can smell like that charriness going on. All right, now, because I have kids at home and I'm always trying to get like more vegetable-y kind of things into them, I typically like to add like some chickpeas or spinach or something into my taco fillings, just to, you know, try and sneak some veg in there. So I won't add all of these, I don't think. Maybe just like a little handful of these chickpeas. I also like the texture that chickpeas kind of get. You know, when you fry them up, they get all kind of crunchy a little. Okay, what are we doing? What have we got? 8 minutes. All right. Some of these bits are really big. Okay. I'm still making salsa, aren't I? Still making salsa. All right, so the other thing I want to pop in my salsa is just some fresh chili. I've got a little jalapeno here. So the other thing I'd probably do is like leave the jalapeno out if I was doing it for my kids. But I'm not. Today I'm doing it for Dax. You like spicy things, right, Dax?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Chili. What do I want? Some lime in there. Ooh, that's those chickpeas like popping away in there. Ooh. That smells so good. All right, now I'm gonna go in with a little extra spice here because, okay, it's a bit dramatic. Smoky paprika is gonna add a really lovely amount of flavor and very little effort or time. So, nice, okay. Lime, we want some lime in our little quick salsa here. It's not really a salsa, but maybe it's more like a tomato and chili salad. I'm gilding the lily just a little bit, but you know. I'm gonna put some coriander in there as well, I think. Oh wait, I was gonna add gochujang in there. That's what I was gonna do, see? Oh, taco shells. Okay, taco shells. 3, 2, 1, breathe. Okay, why does it have to keep beeping? It's so stressful. 5 minutes, all right. Another spoon. I was gonna put gochujang in here because I love to put gochujang in taco fillings. I think it gives you that kind of spicy, I mean, it's not like chipotle chili, but it's almost that kind of vibe a little bit. So, all right, now I'm just gonna get in here and just try this. That's good. Oh, I'm so glad I remembered the gochujang. Okay. Oh, great. Okay, it's kind of like smoky, like the gochujang frying in that mixture, and then with the chickpeas, which kind of popped and they got a little bit smoky too. Yum, that's great. Okay. Cheese, some coriander here for our tomato salad. It's kind of pretty, it's more like a tomato salad than a salsa, but you know. Oh, onion, I need some onion as well. Oh, see, look at this mess I'm making. Oh my goodness. Okay. I think this is done. I'm gonna turn this off. Come and have a look at this, Dax. I mean, this looks freaking so delicious. It's like all charry, and I'm just gonna put some coriander in there, and I am a very happy girl with that. Okay, a little bit of onion. What's the time? 4 minutes. Peeling onion on camera is literally the most painful thing you will ever do. Aside from peeling garlic on camera, actually. Oh, that was pretty good, actually. I want a really fine dice here because I want some nice, like, little, elegant pieces of onion, and I don't want any pieces of my finger in there. Nice little dice. Okay, I feel like this is looking messy, but I think we're on the way. I think we're okay. All right, I'm gonna season this with a little more salt. And do you know what? I actually think a little squeeze of lime in there is going to be really good too. Okay, what's happening here? 2 minutes, 2 minutes. All right, 2 minutes to go. I think we should get things ready, shouldn't we? I'm just going to move this to the side, this to the side. All right. Oh, I wish things weren't so messy. Can't deal with it. Okay. All right. So I need to get my taco shells. All right. Crispy tacos. Oh my goodness. It's been a long time, my friends. Okay. Is there like an etiquette for cheese on the bottom, beef on? I'm going to put cheese on the bottom just because I like it to get a bit melty. Oh, Dax, I should ask you. What's your preference?
I don't do hard shells, so I don't know.
Wow, thanks, Dax.
I haven't had hard shells since 1988.
Well, me too. But you didn't request anything specifically when you said tacos.
I'm excited though.
Okay, all right. Oh God, what's the time? I'm literally like 1 minute away. Oh my God. Okay, I shouldn't have done so many tacos. I really shouldn't have done so many tacos. Okay. Okay. Tomato salad / salsa. Okay. Lettuce. Onion. Crema, well, / sour cream. Okay, and hot sauce. Done. I mean, look, what? And there you go. The look of relief on Hayley's face right now. Smashed it. Look at. I am very, very pleased with that. Look at that, Dax.
Why not?
Are we all happy? I'm happy. We did it. This is such a mess. Oh my God, it looks so messy. Okay, all right, I'm gonna get in here. I think this looks really good. Oh my God, this is so fun. I haven't had one of these for so long. That's great. This is so good. I mean, it's so simple, but adding the chorizo and the extra smoky paprika, it's awesome. I have so much nostalgia for these crunchy tacos. I feel like I'm 16 again. Yum, yum, yum. So good. I
didn't navigate that very well.
That was the messiest taco eating ever. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. I am certainly enjoying my taco. If you did enjoy it, why not hit the subscribe button and the little bell button so you can see me make a big mess in my kitchen whenever you like. I also do make, nice things often, most of the time.